Hello student, this is your chapter number 8 and it is about HTML and introduction. Children, we all know that we can connect computer or we are able to share or transfer any file information from one computer to another or from one mobile phone to another or mobile to computer and so on. From any place, anywhere we are, we can share, okay? And your online classes are also possible because of internet, okay? So internet allows each of the computer which are connected to each other to send and receive information from each other, okay? And the other one of the major application of the internet is World Wide Web, that is www. Short form is www. Now this www is what? That whatever information you see on internet, that is all because of the website available, okay? Whatever information one organization or any institute has to give, they has to first create their website and then they can launch on internet, okay? So when we used to get information from internet, we are searching for any information, that is known as browsing. So to browse any information on internet, we need a web browser. Example of web browser are Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox and so on, okay? Now there is one more very interesting feature, hyperlink. Like you all read books, okay? Now in one page all the entire content of the book cannot be shown, okay? So there are multiple pages, and to see any information, any content, we need to turn to that page, okay? The same way here also, when we open a website of anything, for example www. A website examples are a website address, that is www.discovery.com or www.educard.net and so on. When we open that website, in one page entire thing cannot be shown. The website is a collection of multiple web pages. The page on website is called web page, okay? Whatever is on internet, that is web, okay? So web page is there. So again, as you have in book, multiple pages are there. So in website also multiple web pages are there, and each and every web pages are having some hypertext, that is known as hyperlink, okay? What is that hyperlink? It is the not a normal text, it is a text, it is some different color text, like you can see here. Normal text are written, but this hyperlink color is blue. So this sort of text you get there on web page also. So when you will click on this, some action will take place. What action takes place? It will take you to the new page or the related page where the concerned information or related information is there, okay? This is what hyperlink. So basically web pages are designed first of all, and they are designed with the help of some language, and the language which is used to design such web pages are called hypertext markup language, okay? Now what is HTML? HTML is a computer language developed for website creation. So whenever a person has to, or any organization has to create their website, first of all they have to design their web page, link them together, all the contents are written on those web pages, and then they are launched on internet, okay? Now the website can be viewed by anyone whosoever has the internet connection. So HTML again, it stands for hypertext markup language, okay? Now hypertext is the text that is used to link to other pages on the web. Hyperlinks are links to other pages on the internet. Markup means to highlight the text so that it is clear. Text is the link. Now how does it work? HTML is a language for describing web page content. In whatever contents are there on web page, that is described through HTML. So in HTML basically there are tags that determine how page content is organized and formatted. So you need to learn the tags which are there in HTML, okay? These tags are further understood by web browser to display the content of the web browser, okay? Now tags are what? Tags are markers with the HTML document which are designed to indicate special type of coding. Tag consists of words or abbreviations surrounded by an angle brackets, okay? Now most tags have an opening and closing tag. So we will learn certain tags in further this chapter. that tags have opening as well as closing tag. Okay, so if the tag is having opening as well as closing tag, such tags are called container. But if there are some tags also which don't have closing tag, you need not to close the tag. You can open once, okay, and no need to close the tag. So such type of tag are known as empty tag. Okay. Now closing is always done with a forward slash. Okay. Now you can see this syntax. This tag is written, title is written within angular bracket. This is when a start of the tag, so it is known as opening tag. Then we have HTML text in between, okay, and then you can see this is the closing tag. How we know that it is a closing tag? The name is same, only this one is having a forward slash. That means the switch of the tag has been closed. So whatever is written in between opening and closing tag, this text will appear on the web page. Tag will respond to the action that has to be performed with the text, and the text will appear on this HTML tag only will appear on your web page. Okay. Now some tags have only opening tag. They are called empty element. Like beer tag is used to add a line break between two paragraphs. Like you have on keyboard enter key to change the line. Same way here also we have beer tag to change the line. So it is stand alone, img tag, standalone tag. Okay. Now let's see the rules. Whatever language you learn, there are certain rules. Like you all learn Hindi, English, so you learn first of all its rule. Then only you are able to write in the Hindi as well as English. Okay. The same way here also you are going to learn some computer language. So whichever computer language you will learn, you have to or you need to learn rules very thoroughly. Then only you will be able to understand and able to write the right code at right place as per your requirement. Now let's see rules for writing HTML code. Tag name and attribute name are not case sensitive. That means it can be written in either small letter or capital letter. There are some languages where you have to very much careful about its capital and small letter, but in HTML you need not to bother about its cases. That is, it can be written either in capital and small. Attribute values are enclosed within quotes, that is double or single. Attribute values are, whenever you write the value, it should be either enclosed with double quote, this is a double quote, or it can be enclosed within a single quote. Okay, one quote only. Okay. Now attribute values can be case sensitive. It can be case sensitive. Again, tag can be written in single line, multiple line, with or without spaces. The spaces also need not to bother about it. You can have multiple or single line spaces, or with or without spaces. Essential HTML tag. Now what are the essential HTML tags? That means whatever or whichever HTML document you will write, these tags are a must. Okay, they need to be written, they cannot be ignored. There are 4 sets of HTML tags that form the basic structure needed for every HTML file. What are they? HTML, first of all you have to open, when you are using opening of HTML, so it's a container tag, you have to close also. Then we have title also, again it's an opening as well as closing. Then we have head tag also as opening as well as closing tag. Okay, so this is a container tag. Then we have body again it has on as well as off tag. Okay, now let's see what is this HTML stands for. Okay, this basically defines the document as web page. Okay, that means when the HTML will start executing your document, it will define that it is an web page document. Okay, it also identifies the beginning and end of the HTML document. That means whatever code you will write, that has to be within the body of HTML opening as well as closing HTML. The all other tag must fall between HTML tag. You can see here. Then we have head tag. The header contains information about the document that will not appear on the actual page, such as the title of the document, the author, etc. You can see here the title is given, head is given computer. Okay. So how you write? First you will write HTML, then you can see opening. So when it should not be overlapping, the closing should not be overlapping. That means first you have started with HTML, then next to it you will write head, then in between whatever is the title of your document that you have to write, then you have open head, so that should be closed first. Then firstly you open HTML, that should be closed last. So there should not be overlapping of closing tag. Next we cover the title tag. Now title, from the name itself it is clear, the heading of it. The title tag defines the title that will appear in the title bar of your web browser. Whenever you open a website or web page, the title of that is displayed on the title bar of your web browser. So that title, how to insert, it appears between the head tag. That means again you see HTML same line, the previous one is written, then head is written, computer is written, then title you have started. You see now you have not closed head over here. Now title has been written. Now what is written? Word of computer. Now you close the switch of title over here. Then head was the second, so that has to be closed second last, and first was the HTML tag, that has to be closed with HTML. So this is how you can have the title of your web page. Okay. Next is, now we complete here. Now in the next class, in next video, there will be body part. Thank you.